Today we're going to be looking at different ways to make visual representations of um, things that you're researching, studying, or wanting to present to show your knowledge to others. And so one of the really cool tools out there is a site called Postermywall. And Postermywall allows you to take pre-made templates and edit them to make them your own. There is a login and you can get a free educator account. So I've already logged in, and so we're going to just kind of look at what you can do with Postermywall. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to start the search, and I'm going to start with the library because this is the library. And it's going to bring out a lot of different pictures and graphics and images. As you can see, some of these are the ones that I used on our website themselves. And so let's say I want to show what I've learned about a specific book that I was reading. I could choose one of these flyers as my template or my base. And so I'm going to choose this one where it says free entry readathon, and it's got some dates. And I'm going to click customize template. Once I customize template, it's going to do this. It's going to bring it up for me. And so now I want to change it to maybe a book review. So I'm going to select my what I want to change, and I'm going to change the text. So I'm going to go to where it says edit text. Instead of readathon, I'm going to say the cat or Dog Man wins again. And I'm going to change my title to Dog Man wins again. Now see how tiny that is? I can just stretch it to make it the size I want. Bring it down. Let's say I don't like that orange. On the bottom under style, I can change the colors. I can make it green. I can make it blue. I could pick other colors from the design. I'm going to go back to that orange. And then I'm going to close it. Dog Man wins again. And then let's say I'm doing this on award winning. And I'm going to say award winning graphic novel. And that's too big. It's going to block my Dog Man. So I want to move my Dog Man down just a hair. And I can even shrink the text. So that's too big. So instead of a size 46, you can see I can just bring down the size. I can even type a size down. So I want to make it a 28. And then just move it to where I want it. Let's say I wanted to add in text that wasn't there. There's a text bubble. You can add plain text, fancy text, add menu. You can add media, video, stock photos, audio. You can add photos. Make sure when you're doing those photos, you are citing your sources as well as with the media. We cite our sources. You can change the layout. You can add a schedule, add menu, add table. You can add clip art. You can change the background. There's undo and redo. So award-winning graphic novel, Dog Man wins again. Dog Man has won multiple graphic novel awards. And you can see how I'm just taking some information and I'm adding it to it. I can delete, I can move things around until I get it just the way I want it. I can send items to the front and the back. You can copy, delete. So you can see how it's easy to manipulate these and move things around. This is really great if you're making a schedule or you're making any visual representation. You can even use this for your science fair projects when you're talking about what were the conclusions, adding your pictures and using these templates to help you start. When you're done, you can save it, you can share it, you can download it, or you could buy prints. You can even resize it. This little plus sign is going to let you add more things just like on the side right here. So there's a lot you can do with Postermywall.